Welcome to Australia's Coin Sport Challenge. We're coming to you live with Coin Rugby. It's Team Red versus Team Blue. We'll run you through the rules as we go, for those of you new to Coin Rugby. Toss a coin to determine who plays first. Oh, and it's heads for red. The winner of the coin toss gets 3 coin taps to reach the end of the table. That player then flicks it back towards them to catch in the air and score a try. That player spins the coin and catch it between their thumbs. The goal set up by the opposing player. With the coin between the thumbs, a quick flick is all you need to get it over the bar. Oh, nice. Now we let these gladiators battle it out on the field. Ooh, he looked shortchanged on that shot. Oh, what a conversion. And that concludes today's action on the field as the final score, 21 to blue, 7 to red. Now it's your turn. Post your challenge video on the Royal Australian Mints Facebook page for ultimate sports glory.